Hello boss, just behind me is a single-stage reverse osmosis plant. In industrial production, the quality of water directly determines the quality of the customer's product. This site of equipment has 5 filtration processes, starting from pretreatment, with multiple layers of filtration and gatekeeping. It adopts advanced reverse osmosis membrane processing technology to efficiently remove harmful substances in water and ions. Ensure that the output water meets the needs of users, whether in the electronics, chemical, pharmaceutical, food and beverage industries. We can provide customized water purification solutions. Highly efficient water purification, we're focusing on energy saving and constipation reduction. Integral frame structure, more humanized design, easy to install, advanced instrumentation for easy operation. The caliber of each user's connection will have a clear identification. Such a reverse osmosis equipment, get a move on, all the good ones will have gone.